Hello, Miss Mason here, just going to talk you through this pencil bird tutorial. Now the first thing you need to think carefully about is your outline. Sketch lightly so that you can make changes if you're not happy with it. It's much easier with a light outline. Observe your shapes, look at how they fit together. Then you can layer your pencil shading to build up different areas of tone. You can use your pencil to create mark making, to add texture and pattern, to create the effect of the bird's feathers. Try to shade as smoothly as possible. Please don't smudge too much with your fingers, it tends to leave greasy marks. It's much more effective if you build up layers smoothly from light to dark with your pencil. Keep stepping back to have a look at your drawing. If there are bits you're not happy about, you can rub them out and redraw them. You can add finer details when you're nearing the end, and you can also use a rubber to add extra highlights. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you can create.